Hello children, so we are learning lesson 5 coal and petroleum. So till now we have learned about the different types of natural resources that are inexhaustible and exhaustible and fossil fuels like coal and petroleum. So today we are going to learn about natural gas. So as the natural gas can be found in oceans. How it is formed? Yeah, sea living organisms were died and deposited at the bottom of the sea ocean, and after so many years it got buried under the soil, and after the so many years, due to the heavy pressure and temperature, the natural gas and oil has found. Okay, so the natural gas can be taken from the pipes, and it has been separated into sent to 4 types of containers which we have seen in video, and the pure gas was abstracted. Okay, and so about natural gas, what we can learn is that natural gas is a very important fossil fuel because it is very easy to transport through pipes. Natural gas is stored under high pressure as compressed natural gas. So normally natural gas is stored in a container in a as a compressed natural gas, CNG. Okay, compressed means what? Yeah, it was packed so tightly. Okay, CNG is used for power generations. Compressed natural gas is used for power generation to produce electricity. It is now being used as a fuel for transport vehicles because it is less polluting. It is a cleaner fuel. இப்போ ரீசெண்டாக பார்த்தீங்கன்னா கார்லாம் மோஸ்ட்லி இந்த கேஸ் மூலமாக ஆப்ரேட் ஆகுது இல்லையா? ஸோ அது எல்லாமே வந்து சிஎன்ஜி ஃபியூவல் தான். ஓகேவா? So the great advantage of CNG is that it can be used directly for burning in homes and factories where it can be supplied through pipes. So from the ocean they are taking from the pipes, and again we can fill it in a through using pipes. So this is a very easy transportation is there, so that can be convenient for cooking purposes in our homes. நம்ம பார்த்துருப்பீங்க, you have seen the gas fuel in the cooking purpose in our homes, where it can be such a network of power plants exist in Vadodara, Gujarat, some parts of Delhi and other places. So there will be oceans they are taking from the pipes, and it is subdivided to another some set of pipes that will be placed in the Vadodara and some other places in India. Natural gas is also used as a starting material for the number of chemicals and fertilizers. India has vast reserves of natural gas. In our country, natural gas has been found in Tripura, Rajasthan, Maharashtra, and in the Krishna Godavari deltas. See, delta, what is delta areas? They has more water. Yes, there are big rivers are there. So that places are called delta places. Okay. So can coal and petroleum and natural gas can prepared in laboratory from dead organism? No. See, dead organism which the lab prepare பண்ணலாமா அப்படினா it was no, because it is a natural process. Okay, due to pressure and temperature it is transforming. So it take place under the earth. Okay, so it is a slow process. It cannot be done in laboratories. No, their formation is very slow process, and conditions for their formation cannot be created in the laboratory. Okay, have you understood how natural gas is formed and what are the uses of natural gas, children? Yes. Some natural resources are limited. சில ரிசோர்ஸ் எல்லாமே லிமிட்டட் தான். என்னென்ன அப்படின்னு பார்க்கலாம். Some natural resources are like forest, coal, petroleum are exhaustible. See, whatever we are all the vehicles are filling petrol nowadays, it is one day it will finish because it is getting from a nature. One day it will finish. It is not a man-made. If it is a man-made, we can get ever, but it is a natural resource. It will finish one day. Since coal and petroleum are fossil fuels, it takes long time to form. It is not a man-made product. It is a natural process, so no one can be made easily. So it should coming from a long. It should take a long time to form. Reserves are lasting for more than 100 years. Burning of these fuels produce air pollution. Burning coal, petroleum or producing air pollution. This leads to global warming. Okay. So many vehicles nowadays, each persons are using vehicles. Everyone is using petroleum. Each one is creating pollution, air pollution to the air, and also it leads to global warming. Okay. We must use wisely if needed. We should reduce the usage of vehicles. Okay. In India, the Petroleum Conservation Research Association advises people how to save petrol and diesel while driving. So, nowadays the days have changed. We have also have to change. There is no way to follow some old procedures. So everyone can drive a vehicle, or everyone can use a vehicle, but there is some PCRA. This is the Petroleum Conservation Board Research Association is telling how to save a petrol or diesel while driving. Okay, shall we see? Yes, let us see. Drive at a constant and moderate speed as far as possible. ஒரே லெவலாக போங்க. ரொம்ப ஸ்பீட் வந்து எடுக்கும்போது the engine will use a more vehicle so that the petrol get wasted. Switch off the engine at traffic lights or at a place where you have to wait. இப்போ யாராவது வராங்க அப்படின்னா ஒரு 10 நிமிஷம் வெயிட் பண்ணணும்னா இன்ஜினை ஆஃப் பண்ணிவிட்டு யூ கேன் வெயிட். அண்ட் ஈவன் டியூரிங் traffic light you are standing now, you just switch off the engine and you can wait for the signal. Ensure correct tire pressure. For the smooth running of vehicle, tires also playing important role. So in the tire you should maintain a correct pressure, otherwise maybe a chance of taking more fuel can be occur. Ensure regular maintenance of the vehicle. இப்போ அந்த vehicle வந்து ஒரு 3 months ஒருக்கா சர்வீஸ் போகணும் அப்படின்னா just give them for a service properly, otherwise fuel intake may be more. Okay, let us see the summary. Coal, petroleum and natural gas are the fossil fuels. Fossil fuels were formed from dead remains of living organisms millions of years ago. Fossil fuels are exhaustible resources. Coke is the purest form of coal, and coke, coal tar and coal gas are the products of coal. Petroleum gas, petrol, diesel, kerosene, paraffin wax, lubricating oil are obtained by refining petroleum. Coal and petroleum resources are limited, so we should use them judiciously. Okay, so with this we have completed this lesson. Thank you.